Hello everybody, myself Pankaj. Today I am going to teach Python recursion, and with the help of recursion we will develop Fibonacci series. Python program to display Fibonacci sequence using recursion. So first of all you should know what is Fibonacci sequence. First two numbers of Fibonacci sequence are 0 and 1. Third number is the sum of previous two numbers, that is 0 and 1. Sum of 0 and 1 is 1. Okay. The next number will be the sum of previous two numbers, and previous two numbers are 1 and 1. The sum of 1 and 1 is 2. The next number will be the sum of previous two numbers, and the previous two numbers are 2 and 1. So next number is 3. Can you tell me the next number? Yes, it is 5, because 5 is the sum of 3 and 2. Now next number is the sum of 5 and 3. It is 8. So like that this series can be extended. Okay. Here we are going to develop Python code to print Fibonacci series up to 10. So this is a comment: Python program to display the Fibonacci sequence. Def is used to defining a function. Our function name is recur Fibo, and number of tens we have declared as a parameter, and it is n. We need to check if n is less equal 1, then return n. If the value of n is 0 or 1, then number will be printed only 1. Okay. Else means the control will come over here if the value of parameter is more than 1. It means it may be 2, 3, 4, whatever. Then what should be returned? Recur Fibo function is called, and it will return the previous number n minus 1 and its previous number n minus 2, and both the number should be added, and after the addition it should be returned. So it will print a Fibonacci sequence. Now our code is over. Now number of terms we are defining or declaring 10. So up to 10 numbers or up to 10 terms sequence. This is comment: check if the number of terms is valid. N terms less equal 0. If number of terms is less equal 0, then one message should be printed: please enter a positive integer. It means 1, 2, like that. If number is greater than or equal to 1, then the code will be running. Print. Here we are printing a message: Fibonacci sequence for I in range n terms. It means the loop will be running from 1 to 10, because the value of n terms is 10. Print. Here we are calling recur Fibo recursive function for each and every value of I. First value of I is 1. Okay. So this recursive function will be called for 1. and it will print 1. Okay. In next iteration, the value of I becomes 2. So this recursive function is will be calling for 2. Okay, and then the value will be printed. Then the value of I becomes 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, and it will be calling, and it will be adding all the previous two numbers, addition of previous two numbers, and their sum will be printed. Let's run this code on the Python IDE. Here we have typed all the program of Fibonacci. The program is same, n terms equal to 10. Now I am going to run this program. Click to the run button, run module. See, Fibonacci series or sequence is printed 0, 1, and the sum of 0 and 1 is 1, 1 plus 2, 3, and 2 plus 3, 5, and 3 and 5, 8, 8 and 5, 13, 13 and 8, 21, 21 and 13, 34, and these are 10 terms. I hope you have understood. Thank you very much for watching my video.